as dt. Now 1 upon integral of x square plus a square, again log of x plus x square plus a square. T here is tan of x, log of tan x plus tan square x plus 1 plus c. Next is integral of ex upon square root of 16 minus e2x. We can write e2x as ex square, 16 as 4 square minus ex square. Now derivative of ex in the numerator, so put ex as t. Differentiated, derivative of ex is ex. Ex dx as dt upon square root of a square minus x square. 1 upon square root of a square minus x square is sin inverse x upon a. Sin inverse a here is 4. And what is the value of t here is ex upon 4 plus c. Next is integral of cos x upon square root of 4 plus sin square x dx. Now derivative of sin x is cos x. So we put sin x as t here. Derivative of sin is cos x. Cos x dx as dt upon square root of 4 plus t square. We can write 4 as 2 square. Integral of 1 upon square root of a square plus x square is log of x plus square root of a square plus x square. T is sin of x, log of sin x plus sin square x plus 4 plus c. Log of sin x plus sin square x plus 4 plus c. Next is integral of sin x upon 4 cos square x minus 1. Now we have the derivative of cos x. So put cos x as t. Derivative of cos is minus sin x dx. Sin x dx as minus dt upon square root of 4t square minus 1. Minus dt upon, we can write 4t square as 2t whole square minus 1. Integral of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square is minus log of x plus x square minus a square. Because here x is 2t, so derivative of 2 in the denominator, minus 1 by 2 log of 2 cos of x plus 4 cos square x minus 1. minus 1 by 2 log of 2 cos x plus 4 cos square x minus 1 square root plus c. Next is integral of x upon 4 minus x4. Write x4 as x square whole square, 4 as 2 square. Now put x square as 3 because we have the derivative of x square in the numerator. Derivative of x square is 2x dx. X dx is dt upon 2 square root of 2 square minus t square. Integral of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square is sin inverse x upon a. T is x square half sin inverse x square by 2 plus c. We get half sin inverse x square by 2 plus c. Integral of 1 upon x into square root of 4 minus 9 log of x square. Now derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. So put log x as t. Put log x t. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x dx. This is 1 upon x dx as dt upon square root of 4 minus 9 t square. Can write 4 as 2 square minus 3t whole square. We can take 9 common also, or put this as 3t whole square. Now integral of 1 upon a square minus x square is sin inverse x upon a. X here is 3t, so derivative of 3t in the denominator 1 by 3 sin inverse 3 log of x upon 2 plus c. 1 upon 3 sin inverse 3 log of x upon 2 plus c. Next is integral of sin 8x upon 9 plus sin 4x dx. Now we can write power 4 as square ka whole square, 2 into 2. So we write sin 4 as sin square 4x whole square. Now put sin square 4x as t. Differentiate. Derivative of sin square is 2 sin x and derivative of sin is cos and derivative of 4x is 4. 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Sin 2 into 4x, that is sin 8x, 4 sin 8x dx dt. Sin 8x dx dt upon 4, 1 upon 4 dt upon 3 square plus t square. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square is log of x plus x square plus a square. T here is sine square 4x log of sine square 4x sine 4x 3 square is 9 plus c. Next is integral of cos 2x upon square root of sine square 2x plus 8. Put sine 2x as t. Derivative of sine is cos and derivative of 2x is 2. Cos 2x dx is dt upon 2 square root of t square, and we can write 8 as 2 into square root of 2 whole square. 2 into 2 is 4, square root 2 into square root 2 is 2, and 4 into 2 8. We can write this as 2 into 2 is 4, square root of 2 into square root of 2 is 2, 4 into 2 8. Now apply the formula integral of 1 upon x square plus a square log of x here is t plus x square plus a square. T is sine of 2x log sine 2x plus square root of sine square 2x plus 8 half log sine 2x plus sine square 2x plus 8. Now next is integral of sine 2x upon square root of sine power 4x plus 4 sine square x plus 4 sine square x minus 2. We can write sine power 4 as sine square x whole square plus 4 sine square x minus 2. To make it quadratic, we put sine square x as t. Put sine square x as t. Integral of sine square is 2 sine x. Derivative of sine square x is 2 sine x. And derivative of sine x is cos x dx as dt. 2 sin x cos x sin 2x dx is equals to dt. Sin 2x dx as dt upon square root of t square plus 4t minus 2. Complete the square, add and subtract half coefficient of t whole square. Add and subtract 4. Integral of dt upon square root of t square plus 4t plus 4 minus 2 minus 4. Complete the square now. T plus 2 whole square minus 6. We can write as 6 as square root of 6 square. 1 upon square root of x square minus a square is equals to log of x plus square root of x square minus a square. Log of x here is t plus 2 plus square root of x square plus a square. We can directly write this step. When we write this, solve this as, after solving we get this step, and after that t square plus 4t minus 2. Log of t here is sin square x plus 2 plus sin 4x plus 4 sin square x minus 2 plus c. Next is same of this type, sin 2x upon integral square root of cos power 4x plus cos square x plus 1. Here we can put cos square x as t and solve by this method. Next is integral of cos of x upon 4 minus sin square x. Put sin x as t here. Derivative of sin is cos x. Cos x dx as dt upon square root of 4 minus t square. Square root of a square minus x square is sin inverse x upon a. Sin inverse t upon, we can write 4 as 2 square. Sin inverse t upon 2. T here is sin x. Sin inverse sin x upon 2 plus c. One upon x 2 by 3 square root of x 2 by 3 minus 4 dx. Now we can write x power 2 by 3 as x 1 by 3 square. 1 upon x 2 by 3 square root of x power 1 by 3 square. Now put x power 1 by 3 as t. X power n, derivative of x power n is n x power n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is minus 2 by 3. 1 upon x 2 by 3 dx is equals to 3 dt. 3 dt upon square root of t square minus 2 square. Now integral of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square is log of x plus square root of x square minus a square. And t here is x power 1 by 3. Log of x 1 by 3, x square root of x 2 by 3 minus 4 plus c. Integral of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square into 9 plus sine inverse x whole square dx. Now here we have the derivative of sine inverse x. Derivative of sine inverse x, so we put sine inverse x as t. Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square dt upon 9 plus t square. We can write 9 as 3 square. 1 upon, this is in square root. Square root of x square plus a square is log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. T here is sine inverse x. Log of sine inverse x plus sine inverse x square plus 9 plus c.